Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add Bitcoin to your MetaMask wallet in 2025. Now, since MetaMask runs on Ethereum and EVM based networks, it doesn't support Bitcoin directly, but I will show you the correct and the safe way to add and store Bitcoin using the wrapped tokens. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your MetaMask browser extension, or you can also follow the same steps in your MetaMask mobile application. The first thing that you need to do here is to simply log in into your account and make sure that your wallet is set up and backed up with your recovery phrase. So once this is done, as I've told you earlier, MetaMask doesn't hold the native BTC because Bitcoin runs on its own blockchain. But you can store the wrapped Bitcoin, which is also known as WBTC, which is a tokenized version of Bitcoin that works on Ethereum and other compatible networks. So here in MetaMask, you need to make sure that you are connected to the Ethereum mainnet. This is where most of the WBTC tokens exists. So here, as you can see in my MetaMask account, if you hover over to the top left hand corner of the screen and click on this option, it is going to show you which mainnet you are currently using. So make sure that it is Ethereum mainnet. So once you have done that, you just have to scroll down a bit in the tokens. Now click on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen, then select the option of import token. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for WBTC, and as you can see, this is what we want, which is wrapped BTC or WBTC. So you need to first of all select it, then press next here in the bottom. After that, tap on the option of import, then wait for some time until WBTC imports here in your account. And once it is imported successfully, you can click on it and start buying, selling, sending, swapping, bridging, whatever you want. You can do it over here. You can get your BTC and start storing here in your MetaMask account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.